All right, question 28. In the xy plane above, ABCD is a square and point E is the center of the square. The coordinate of points C and E are 7, 2 and 1, 0, respectively. Which of the following is an equation of the line that passes through the point B and D? All right. So we want to know which one's the equation that go through B and D like that. Okay. So C is 1, 0 and E is, well, C is 7, 2 and E is 1, 0. That's what they told us. All right. So first, if you want to write out the equation, if you take a peek at the answer choices, all of them are in the slope-intercept form. Okay, so y equal to mx plus b. And m is a slope and b is a y-intercept. So if you want to solve for the slope, okay, what we can do is we can, roughly look at the graph. Okay, from the way it's drawn, since we already have the graph, we could definitely use it to kind of visualize this, right? So it seems like this is, right? So look at the answer, the slope are either -3 or -1/3. Okay, if it's -3, it should be down 3 over 1. And -1/3 is down 1 over 3. So what does it looks like for our graph? Seems like the slope is rather steep, right? And then we can see this point seems like, let me draw it a little bit better. It seems like we go through 3 here. Okay, if this is 3, and then you see this is 1, 0, we go down 3 over 1 to the right. Okay, so the slope should be -3 over 1, which is -3 here. All right, so from this graph, it's not too difficult to tell. We can see that it should be -3 and not -1/3. Okay, so from that, we can eliminate C and D. If we're going to prove it algebraically, that would take longer for this question, but you could solve for the slope of CE, line CE, using these 2 points, plug into the slope formula. And then since these two are the diagonals of a square, they should be perpendicular. So the slope should be opposite reciprocal of that, the slope of CE. Okay, so you can also do it like that, but that will take longer. So I think for this question, we'll just use the graph. Okay, so slope is definitely -3. And then where is the y-intercept? Well, it seems like it goes through the y-axis at 3, right? Okay, it should be definitely a positive number, so not negative. And so look at A is not -1. -1 will be down here. Okay, so it's not A. So then it have to be B then. Right, so the tricky part for B is we can actually distribute the -3 over, and this equation will become y equal to -3 times x is -3x, -3 times -1 is +3. See, the y-intercept is actually +3. Okay, so letter B is our answer for 28.